Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device and plan support intra-circle roaming. This matters because capability must exist before you proceed. Once done, enable the SIM or eSIM profile and verify the primary APN and login credentials so authentication succeeds. Next, set network selection to automatic to allow handoffs. This lets the radio seek sister cells. Make sure to note any carrier-specific flags. Those will determine if roaming within the same operator circle is permitted. And you now execute the handoff by monitoring signal strength and neighboring cell ID. These metrics guide decisions. Once you see degrading serving signal, trigger measurement reports if your device lets you. That provides the data needed for decision-making. Then, adjust band locks or carrier aggregation preferences to prioritize intra-circle cells. This increases the chance of a local handoff. Remember, carrier settings and RAN policies control final decisions, so your changes bias outcomes rather than guarantee them. You finish by verifying session continuity. Check voice, data, and any co-S flows to confirm the handoff completed intact. If the intra-circle roam fails, reset the APN, force a re-registration to the network, and retry the procedure. Often a fresh attach solves config mismatches. Make sure to collect logs with timestamps, cell ID, RSRP and RSRQ values, and hand over reason codes for troubleshooting. These records explain why the network refused or dropped the handoff and speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.